Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to enter the EMUI mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off, touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Let's wait until the phone will be completely switched off, and right now let's use the power key and volume up together. So let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding those keys, and as soon as the HUAWEI logo pops up, release power key. Now let's just hold down the volume up. Let's wait for the EMUI mode. This is like the recovery mode. This is the EMUI mode, so that's it. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see, here you can accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data factory reset. You may also wipe cache partition, or if you would like to, you can reboot system now. So let me reboot system now. This is the option that allows you quit this hidden mode. So let me press power key. The device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. That's it, the home screen just pops up, so it means that now you can use your device in a normal mode. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.